I need to get my revised directions. Here we go. I don't know if this is ours or theirs. I did fix it in the directions for mine. Alright, so in our CSS, I think I started hitting, yeah, I hit record. We're going to go to the navigation style section. And here we're going to format the nav list that has the ID main links. So if I go to the HTML, I can see right here they assigned ID main links. And we're going to say top and bottom padding space is 5 pixels. So how do we do an ID? Hashtag, thank you. Main links. And we are going to say padding. Five pixels and 0 pixels. I'm going to see if that did what I wanted it to do. Yep, it gave it a little bit of padding. 5 pixels, not very much. I don't understand why this is so giant on my screen. Oh, that's why, maybe. But then it does that. I don't... Maybe we're going to fix the width of the body.
It's because I thought you used EMs.
Is that...
Is that right?
It might be. Let's look on the layout or in here.
Yeah, no, the 0.8 EM.
Or like
In the
VW, isn't that an absolute?
So if we change font size to what?
Are pixels resizable or
No?
no?
No, pixels are set.
And
EM is good. 5 EM. Let's try it. Looky, they're a little bit better. But now it doesn't go. I think it's the width of my body, honestly.
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to get it to look the way it's supposed to look. Okay, here's font. No, that's not going to make any difference. It's not the padding. I'm going to look at this layout and see what they've got. Body margin 0, width 100%, max width. That might be the problem. Let's say, I'm going to say 75%. For the body, I changed the layout, which we weren't supposed to have to change that at all. Now that looks dumb at the bottom. And the picture is very bad because it's...
My picture's not like that.
I may have downloaded it over a bad connection or something. What was the original width of the body?
1068.
Pixels?
1020 pixels.
And max width was...
1020. Oh, the width was
The width was the width. I don't know. The max was 100%. The max was not sure.
I didn't have a width for the body at all.
What?
But I was doing it based on the directions. That one
2020, thank you.
Your picture's very blurry.
Yeah, I see that. We weren't supposed to change anything there, so I'm just going to leave it alone for right now. Yes, sir. I'm sorry.
Sorry.
We never got 13 right.
We didn't get 13 right?
Yeah, we did.
Should we not get right? Boy.
Yeah, we did.
Mine is Limelight. Is yours not?
Mine's sunlight.
That's Limelight.
You did one of them yesterday was orange.
Orange.
It was a different color because we didn't finish it.
Oh, you are so right. I do remember that. Let's see what that was. Oh, but this is not ours. That's why I need to open the other revised directions. I didn't. Which one did I highlight orange?
I thought it was 13.
It was 13.
Yeah, you said you were gonna go back and fix it. You said-
I think that was the 0.6. Oh, the color. No. This was the VW. I'm like cursive. I'm going to leave it for right now. Margin. That's right. All right, let's go to number 15. We did that. Number 16. I used to have a really good visual for this because it gets kind of confusing knowing active, visited, unvisited, and what's the other one?
Link. Yeah.
Link. So link is when it changes colors and you're clicking on it, correct? Or is that active?
That's active.
That's just.
When it's active.
I mean, the visited and unvisited are easy.
Yeah.
No, I guess what I get confused too, unvisited.
I think it is an unvisited. Unvisited and interesting.
I'm just trying to understand the 4 different ones. I get hover.
There's link and visited.
You're trying to catch up, right, Ezekiel, instead of going to games? Wouldn't that be a better choice to make? Trying to catch up? This project, you have to have it.
Link, visited, and other.
Okay, what they want us to do for previously visited and unvisited within the main links navigation list. So we're going to do hashtag main links. Why is it turning blue now? Because I didn't close this. Oh, that might have been the whole problem. Now it looks terrible. Main links, but I want the ones that are, is that how you do it? No, just visited. And then main links. We don't put unvisited, do we?
No, it's not.
Link.
Main links A. Links and main links.
Main links A.
No, colon. A colon.
Like that?
Yeah, and then this.
That just came down here because I got word rep on. I'll move this over just a little bit. There we go. And we're gonna say color white. Well, I wouldn't say a lot, but
A little bit. I see. I actually see the it's better.
Number 17. For hovered or active links within the main links navigation list, create a style rule that displays the hypertext links in white with an opacity of 0.6 and set the background color to the RGBA color given. So here we're going to do main links, A, hover, and then main links, A, is it link again?
No, it'd be active. Active is that it's being clicked on.
Okay. So when we click on it or hover over it, we want the color to be RGB. No. How do we do? Okay, this is how we do that. RGBA, what's white?
250, 250.
255, 255, 255, and we're going to say 0.6 opacity. I don't know if you can do white. I guess you could do opacity, just do the value or
Yeah.
property opacity.
Yeah.
I'm not that interested to know.
It's just that if anything was, if it was above another element, let's say, like if this place were a background color, it would just be, that background color would start with lighter.
Okay. Okay, so let's see if that worked.
And that's what it does.
That's not too impressive, but it looks like what it was supposed to do. That's number 17. Go to the outline style section. In this section, we're going to format the course outline that appears on the page's left column. The navigation list in this outline has the ID outline. We're going to create a style rule that sets the text color to 52, 52, 52. So we are going to do ID outline nav. I don't, oh, yeah, so when you click on it, I'm not sure that's right. Say it louder, please.
It's the bar at the top.
For number 18, it says on the page's left column. It's this one. And see, it turns when we click on it. Am I not understanding what you're saying? I still don't understand why it's so big. All right, that's number 18. Number 19. Horizontally center the H1 headings within the outline navigation list. So again, we're going to do the outline ID and H1. Text align center. Okay, that didn't change anything, so now I'm thinking I'm not doing something right. It did?
Yeah. The close outline got shifted to the right.
Mine didn't change, I don't think.
It did. We watched it.
Oh, you saw mine change?
Yeah.
I sure didn't. Okay. For the first level OL elements that are a direct child of the outline navigation list, so what we're doing here, we are going to be changing the first levels to uppercase letters. So right now they're numerals. We want these to turn into A, B, C, D. It's not something we do very often, but you need to know how to do it. So again, we are in the outline ID. I can't make it any bigger. You can go and turn it towards you just a tiny bit if you want, but
No, I can't see the board.
you need glasses then, because that's
No,
big.
His head's my way.
Well, I'll scroll up. There. So outline, do I do the greater than? I know I do nav OL first of type, right? I think we're going to have to play with that one. I don't think that's right. What? Between where? Huh?
That would only do the first line.
Guys, it would do what?
The first LI in that list.
No, because I only chose OL. I didn't choose. Look at the H. Look at the. But look at the HTML. It's only going to do this OL. And that's all I want it to do. I don't want it to do this OL. These are lists in lists.
Oh, first OL.
So I think that's right. We'll see. Line height 2EM. Margin. We're going to do all of them on one line. So you start with the top first, 0 pixels, left, right, 5 pixels. And then list marker type. That doesn't look right.
This style type.
List style type, yes. There we go, thank you. Upper alpha. Why do we have upper alpha, uppercase? I'm going to try uppercase, but it might be upper alpha. Let's see, did it work? No, it did not. My selector's wrong. Outline. Let's look at the directions again. I always get this. This is why Diner Dash was
It was the greatest.
in between what?
Just outline, grade, full O L.
Don't put the nav. So now if I do that, hopefully it works. Okay, I think it must be upper alpha. Okay, so I've got my upper cases. That's what I wanted to happen right there. And of course, they're going to make us go do the second one. Display the second level of OL elements nested within there with uppercase Roman numeral. So now, got another selector. Outline. We don't want the, we're not doing that. We're going to do, is it greater than again? OL second of type? Is that a thing?
Yes, you just do two OS.
I know.
That's what I did.
Oh, that's smarter.
OL under OL?
Yeah.
That's what I did. I'm not sure.
Okay, and then we're going to say list style type upper Roman. Ah, look at y'all. Y'all are good. I like it. $22. Display all previously visited and unvisited links in the outline nav list using this color. Okie dokie. Outline nav. Is it nav A visited? Is it link or active? Link. I think it's link. Color RGB 103. It already did that earlier. What color is 103?
gray.
Display all previously visited, unvisited. So what if I take out the nav?
It works. Just take out the nav for both.
Yeah, just don't use it.
Oh, yeah. But now it's not turning the red.
It should be red.
I thought it was supposed to when
There's
I...
no red colors in the,
Okay.
yep.
But I thought it was supposed to change when we clicked on it.
Yeah, did you take out the map from the active and the other? Oh, you haven't done the active and the passive.
Oh, I'm doing that next.
Yeah.
Okay. Number 23. Outline A. Hover. Outline A. Active. Color. RGB. 97, 97 to 11. And we also want text decoration underline. Okay. The color did, yeah, it did change. Why did they go to the default? You're not supposed to use the default color. That's a bad coding thing.
I mean, it's the same as the heading. Yeah.
I guess. All right. Go to the section styles. In this section, format the description of the course. Create a style rule that sets the background color of the section element to a lighter gray than previously used, but an HSL color. What does HSL stand for? Nobody knows? Hue, saturation, light.
No clue. No, I know what they are.
And there's HSLA too, but let's see if we can find us HSL color picker. I want a really, really light one here. I'd say that's pretty light. HSL right there. Boom. Yep, that's this section right here. So that worked. Format the heading of this section by creating a style rule for the section header H1 selector that sets the font size 2.4 EM and left padding space. Section H1. I'm going to look at my HTML because in that section, I don't have another H1. Yes, I do. I have it in the aside, and I only want it for the header one. So I do need that in my selector. Section header H1. Font size 2.4 EM. Padding left 8 pixels. So I'm going to be looking at that first section about the course is what should change. It did not. Oh. No, I think that was this. I'm going to undo what I just did and see if I can see if that's what changed. Save. What? I don't see anything that changed. Go back. Section, maybe I need this. I need practice on my selectors. I think that changed it. Let me look in my HTML. It is this part that's supposed to be changing right here. So I'm going to make it something super big just to see. 45 pixels. I guess it's not that big. What if we make it 450 pixels? Yep, that's the one. So that was right. "26. We're going to the article styles. You see, we're getting really close to being done. We're going to create a style rule for H2 headings within the article element. So article H2, font size 1.3 EM. Oh, here's the doozy, number 27. Display the first letter of the paragraph within the article element with a font size of 3 EM and vertically aligned with the baseline of the surrounding text. Hint: use the first of type pseudo class and the first letter pseudo element. Ouch, that hurts my brain. Okay. Article paragraph, and I only want that one. Paragraph letter. No. Paragraph first of type. That's right. That's what it is. Paragraph
Teachers and students,
first
please
of
excuse
type.
this interruption for some morning announcements. The girls basketball team has a home game in the Teepees tonight against Washington. Varsity starts at 6 and tickets are available on GoFan. So be there or hear about it.
First letter, I
The will be
think.
offered on Wednesday, December 3rd. Students who would like to participate can sign up in the guidance office. The cost is $35 and the deadline to sign up is Friday, November 21st.
Font size.
Athletic classes will will not be valid at this Friday's
3
football
p.m.
game. Tickets will be available on GoFan. This Friday's Fair Day theme will be pajamas. This Friday is the last day to register for the MLK poster and oratorical contest. Please see Ms. Humphries for more information and to receive or turn in a packet. That's all, Tom.
Vertical align? I don't know if that's right or not, guys.
No.
Yeah, I kind of had a feeling it was.
Vertical line is a like style. You don't do text align vertical. You just remove the text align and start with that. And that's your what selector? Or I don't know. Get rid of the colon. Get rid of it. Just start with that. No. Keep vertical line. Just that starting colon. So you start with. See?
Oh.
And then you'll do baseline.
Oh, I learned something. I like it when I learn something. Let's see what this does. I don't see a big letter anywhere.
You save it?
Yep. I know my selector's wrong. I knew that one would be wrong.
Nah. Yeah. Do 2 colons between the two. No. 2 colons right there. Trust me, 2 colons. Yeah.
That seems vaguely familiar. Look at that! I don't like that big space. I don't think that's supposed to be there.
That's how the picture lives.
It is?
Yeah.
So long.
You are right.
Wait, right between what?
The 2 colon goes between, I'll show you right here. So we're doing in the article the paragraph, but we only want the first paragraph, first of type, and then 2 colons, first letter. We will finish this tomorrow, and you might have some fun Friday time. And Brody, if you're here, we'll do birthday.
I'm fixing to be here, Miss Carter. Don't worry.
Yeah, I bet.
I'm just waiting for you to update my code Avengers and my geometric. I did code Avengers, so I got like it.
Your geometrics is staying until you pass that test.
Okay. My code Avenger, I got like an 83%, I think, is what it's at right now.
Okay.
So I'm waiting for you to.
I want you to be a little bit scared.
Miss Carol, did you lie to me?
About?
You said that field trip got canceled.
It did.
Somebody went.
I thought you were talking about the OTC credit, the OTC field trip. I know what you're talking about. No, I guess you just chose different people, but talk to Brody Combs and he and Olivia were like, we were the only normal.
Really? The second one's good?
Yeah, I promise you, talk to Brody Combs. He said that because I felt terrible. Because she asked for names and I sent in 6. I didn't even choose Brody Combs.
Yeah, it's alright. I was just wondering.
I did choose Olivia, but I did not choose Brody Combs.
Just curious, that's all. Just this all.
But apparently it wasn't near as good as it usually is.
Yeah. I was gonna.
Bye.